Please.
But you can hear me.
Not again.
You have to come before they move him.
I hear you. Hold on to hope. I'll be there.
Hurry, please. Can't.
Just keep
Please.
moving. Eyes up,
I didn't
heart
mean to come
steady.
here.
Almost there.
Just let me go. You're not alone anymore. Sometimes the strongest thing is having someone who believes in you.
If you want part 2, you know what to do.
Alright, what you just watched wasn't made by a studio, not by professional animators, and not with traditional software. That entire cinematic scene, every character, every camera move, every emotion, was generated automatically with AI. And here's the wild part. You can create animations like this with a single prompt. No editing, no timeline, no complicated tools. Recently, YouTube channels like Super Emotional Stories have exploded by posting simple emotional stories with animal characters. Some of these creators are getting millions of views and turning those views into real income. So today, I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing, but not with just any tool. This is Videoinu, the world's first animation generator capable of producing 2K long-form films using Sora2, fully integrated with Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro. It's fast, insanely simple, and honestly, kind of unbelievable. And if you stay until the end, I'm giving away 5 Pro memberships to my viewers, so you can start creating your own animated stories instantly. Alright, let me show you how easy this really is. Alright, first things first, let's jump straight into Videoinu, the tool that can create full 2K long-form animated films with one click, thanks to its powerful integration of Sora2, Gemini 3, and Nano Banana Pro. You can simply search Videoinu on Google or click the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, hit Start for free and sign in using your Google account or email. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, and this is where things get incredibly simple. On the home screen, you'll see different tools, models, and sample animations created by other creators. Feel free to preview them to get a sense of the styles and cinematic look you can achieve. But for this video, we're focusing on the brand new upgrade, the Story 2.0 system integrated with Sora2, Gemini 3, and Nano Banana Pro. These 3 models are trending right now, and Videoinu even has a limited time discount available, so don't miss it. This new system lets you create a full cinematic animation, with no storyboard, no editing, and no character setup. Everything is automated. So, let's start. Click Story 2.0 and hit Create. Here you'll see the story section. If you already wrote a script, just paste it in. If you don't have any idea, you can click the Sample Idea button, and Videoinu will instantly create a complete story structure for you, ready to animate. For this demo, I'll paste my own script. Now scroll down. At the bottom, you'll see the style settings. Click 3D cartoon, and you'll find several options. For this video, I'm using a Zootopia style animation. But remember, this is only inspired by the style, not from the movie. Next, choose your video duration, aspect ratio, and your preferred language. Once everything is set, click Create. Videoinu will now automatically generate the full story structure, create consistent characters, and split your script into scenes, all in seconds. You can adjust each scene manually by clicking Preview Storyboard, or you can choose the easiest option, Generate Video. For this demo, I'm using one-click generation. When you click it, Videoinu will automatically generate every scene, add sound effects, apply voiceover, and produce a fully finished video, all in a single click. In just seconds, you'll have a complete cinematic animation. Once the video is ready, just hit the download button. Your full animation is ready to use, and also you can back to edit by click Edit Storyboard button. The result not satisfied. Before we wrap up, I have something special for you. To celebrate this new update, I'm giving away 5 Videoinu Pro memberships to help you start creating your own AI animated films. Here's how to enter. First, sign up for a free Videoinu account using the link in the description. Leave a comment below this video telling me what you like about Videoinu and what improvements you'd like to see next. That's it. I'll randomly pick 5 winners in a few days. So if you want to start creating your own high-quality animations or even launch an animation channel, make sure you join the giveaway. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I've got more AI animation tutorials and hidden tool reviews coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.